I look like princess. Hey guys, it's Duraging, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put your hair in a ponytail. Females only. Well, can be for men too, but this is how to put your hair in a ponytail. Woo! So, this is my hairstyle right now, inspired by Princess. And I'm just gonna destroy it. This is how we start. My hair has been washed and air dried for 1 day, and then I'm going to take it off. First thing you want to do is get any like oil. This is my, not gonna show it because of copyright, false advertisements. This is my growth oil. Okay, put it in the scalp and massage the scalp. Alright, it's massage. After you massage it for like a bit, you're gonna want to add any like hair oil, or what I have is a leave-in conditioner, and it's gonna soften up my hair and I'll be able to comb it, because right now this cannot pass through my hair. It's too thick. It can pass through, but it's gonna be very painful, as you can hear. Right, so you squirt, 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 squirt. Make sure I get all in the back. Need a turn for you all to see. Oh. I'm going to part my hair. I want you guys to take your time and part your hair. Comb it into sections and part it. So this is so that your hair won't be knotted. This is how I'll do my hair. You want to get like all in there, and I'll turn around for you to see. This, guys, is not what we want. You want to make sure that you come from the roof when you're combing it. Ooh, I can see like all the brown in my hair. Ooh. Look at hair, girl, slay it, girl. However they say it. I'm gonna really rock with it. Next, I'll just take all the hair out. Next, I'm going to get a. Ooh. I'm gonna get a scrunchie and I'll be right back. I am back, and I have a scrunchie, or you know, whatever you call it. So what I do, I normally go like this to comb up my hair so it can go in one. I think it needs a bit more cream. You don't wanna see, it's not hard. Just look at here. Wow, so much. My auntie has great hands for my hair. So behind is not like, I don't know if you can see, but behind isn't staying. So what I normally do is put some mousse. I put some mousse in here, and I like put it all over my hair. You can normally brush it in, but I don't really use brushes anymore. Oh. Final step, well, not really final step. You take that scrunchie and you put it in your hair. Ooh. Yeah, it's done. I'm studying if I should keep it like this or no. I am gonna just redo this, and I'll show you a little trick. Okay, you put that bad boy back in a one. This is what I normally do. I do it twice, and then like stop at like right there before all goes through. I stop right there. Then I take the top and I make a little part. And that is how you make a bow. It's not a neat bow, but it's a passable bow. Woo. Okay, next we are going to try to slay some edges, or you know, just do it. I take this brush, a normal toothbrush, and I take some of the curling mousse. Then I just want to like just want to like brush it down. Alright, then I'll put some more. This is the hard part, like getting that. It's so weird doing it on camera. It's basically brushing it down. But this is how I do mine. Put some more. This is just how I do mine, but it's not sticking. I'm not gonna use like anything else here right now. This also like helps my hair grow. But I have stuff like what do you call it? I have stuff like Gorilla Glue. I wouldn't put it on my hair because I just washed it and then it's gonna be like sticky and stuff. So anyways, that's the end of my video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share for the next video. This video was requested, and thank you so much for viewing my channel and my videos and supporting me. What would you like to see next? Please leave your suggestions. I'm open right now for suggestions. I post like once a week, twice a week, I don't know, it just depends. So I'll see you all next time, and in other words, pieces.